Okay guys, I'm back. We gonna weld this thing now. So I'm gonna fire up my trusty welder. I've had that little SP100 since I was in high school. I remember I made payments on that thing when I was in high school. And I still got it and it still works good. So, here we go. Let's see if we can tack this bad boy on here. Make sure we got it in just the right spot. We'll tack this end first. That galvanized metal is so nasty. So yeah, let's make sure she's pointing straight out. Maybe just a little bit up. That looks cool. Give her a little tack here. Come on. Get back on there, helmet. Okay, that looks good. Uh-huh. Oh, that is going to be custom. So, we'll see if I can weld the rest of it without blowing a bunch of holes in it. So far, so good. Oh, come on. This freaking hat's making my helmet fall off. So bag the hat. Nice. I think the heat's just about right. I got a big hole there. That's going to be fun to fill. But I think I can do it. Let's see if we can fill this bad boy down here. Sort of like stitching. See, look at that, we got it in there. Just a little tack here and a little tack there. I don't dare try to run a bead because it'll just blow a big hole in it. It's trying to blow a little hole in it right there. Come on. Got it. Got it. Oh, that is custom. Come here. Come on, turn around, you little sucker. Got her tapped there. Oh man, that's gonna be custom. Let me turn the heat down just a tiny bit. But I think our wire speed's pretty decent. Give it a tack here. That's working out nice. See that? Looking good, looking good. Now I got a big hole right there to fill. I can do it. It's filling. It's filling. Oh, look at that. That is custom. One more tiny little hole right there. Got it. One tiny hole here. Got it. Okay, that's coming together. Now let's get the top. Look at that. That's custom. Now I got a giant hole in here I gotta do something with. So, I'll make a little piece of metal and fit it in there. But I won't bore you guys with that. I'll be back. Okay guys, I made a little filler piece. So now we can weld that on there. Fire up Mr. Welder. See that little guy? It's gonna go right here. Just like that. So we'll fire up Mr. Welder. It helps if you plug it in. There we go. Okay, let's do it. Nice, nice. Ow! Son of a... Okay. Tap that edge down a little bit. Just like that. Get it in here. A little hole here. There we go. Looks good. Nice. Just needs a little more welding in here. There. Okay. Now I'll do a little grinding on it and we'll finish it up. Okay guys, here it is. I got it all wire wheeled out, smoothed out. Looks pretty cool. So yeah, let's put it on there, see what it looks like. Line up the bolt holes, come on. Oh yeah, that looks custom. Still rugged looking. Goes with the rest of the saw. Yeah, I think that looks good. Super custom. I debated on cutting the exhaust tip at an angle, but I think I like it straight like that. Looks pretty cool. So I think what we'll do next is get it all painted up. We're going to paint it flat black. And then I've got that other 751 that I showed you guys that I restored in my other video. Maybe we'll swap mufflers on it. See what it sounds like stock, and then with this one. So yeah, this will look pretty cool. Now I got this really destroyed top cover I got to figure out how to fix. It's got some tabs broke. It's got a hole knocked in it. And I can't weld aluminum. I have no way to weld aluminum here, but I got some tricks with JB Weld. And then same thing with this side cover. These side covers are like hen's teeth trying to find one that's not busted. This one actually looks pretty good, but it has like a big crack here, and then one there. So, and it's bent. So I might have to try and fix that with some JB Weld and some reinforcement panels on the back. We'll see. But yeah, look at that bad boy. That is custom. Alright guys, see you on the next one.